Hello student. Today I am telling you about tags in HTML. To writing the tags in HTML, we have to firstly open the Notepad program. Okay. To open the Notepad, firstly click on Start button, then go to All Programs. After that, open the Notepad. This is the Notepad window. This is a text editor, and here you can see this is the menu bar of Notepad. Here we can write the program for HTML. This is a HTML document, so we have to firstly write the HTML code. This is the HTML tag. Okay, in next line we will write the head section, because you know there are two parts of any HTML document, head and body. This is the head section. Head section contains the title tag. This is the title tag, and this is a container tag. Here we can write the title for our website. Like we can give the title Sunrise here. Okay, Sunrise School. Now this is the closing tag of title tag. The closing tag contains the forward slash, okay, which differentiate it with the starting tag. Then the closing tag of head. Okay, now the head portion have been completed. Now we will start the body section. This is the body section. In body section I am write the BG color. What will it do? By using BG color we can change the background color of our web page. Okay, so I will write body, then BG color, and give equal sign here, and then in inverted commas I will write the color name. Here I am writing the pink color, inverted comma close. This is for background color. Okay, means the background color will be pink. After that I will write the text color. So for doing this I will write only text and equal sign, and after that I will write the color name like red. You can take any of the color. After that close this tag. Now the body tag have been closed. Now I am giving a heading to my web page. For heading I will write H tag, H1 2 3 4 5 6. We can give 1 to 6 heading styles. H1 is the largest font size. Okay, when you give H1 it will show the largest heading, and H6 is the smallest. Here you can see H1. Then I am writing students. Okay, now this is the closing of H1 tag. This will be show a largest font style. If I will write H7, it will be smallest font size. Here you can see the difference between both of them. This is H7. Closing tag was H7. After that, enter key. Then I will close the body section. This is the closing tag of body having forward slash. Okay. Now I have completed my work. Then I will complete the document by using forward slash in writing the HTML tag. It means it is the completion of the document of one web page. Okay, I have started the HTML document by HTML starting tag and end the HTML document by ending the HTML tag. After that I will save it. So to save the file, go to file. After that go to save as. Save as dialog box opens. Here you will change the save as type in all files. Okay, it is compulsory. Save as type will be all files and write the file name which you want to do it. SPS, I am giving SPS. After that I will write the extension of that file. When we save any file in HTML, we have to give the HTML extension. It is mandatory. Okay, then click on save button. Now your file is saved. Now we will run this program on Internet Explorer. Here you can see in the taskbar the E option. We can run our program in any type of explorer like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. I am running my program in Internet Explorer. So I will click here. This is Internet Explorer. I will go to File tab. Okay, in File tab, go to Open option, then Browse. Here you can see this is my file name, SPS. I will double click on it. Now here you can see the address of my file, and then I will click on OK. Here you can see the effect of the program we have written. On the left top, here you can see the title that I have given in title tab, Sunrise School. Okay, within the head tag we have given this title, Sunrise School. It is in the top left corner. Okay, after that this is our web page in pink color, and these are the heading. This is the largest font size for H1 heading. Okay, this is H7 heading, and this is the smallest font size. Now if we want to any type of editing in our document, then we have to again go to the notepad window. So from taskbar I can directly go to on notepad. Okay, I will click here. This is my document. Now I can make changes in it. Anytime I will make change, I will click on save button only, not save as, because I am doing only editing in it. So I need not to save it again and again with new names. Okay. Now I am telling you about other tags that are used in HTML document. Now I will write it in body section. These were the headings. Now if I want to use the physical text styles in the document, like I want to make a text bold color, then I will write B and write the text here. Okay, then closing tag of B. This text will be shown in bold colors, and if I want to write the text in italic, for italicize the text, I will write the I tag and write the text here. This is for italicize the text. If I want to underline the text, I will write the text like this by using the U tag. This is the closing tag of U. Okay, now my text will be bold, italic and underlined. I can use these all the tags all together. It means I can use the bold, italic and underline tags for a same text all together. Now I will click on the save button again for saving the document. Now my editing work is saved, and after that I will again go in Internet Explorer. Okay, then my file is already open, so I need not to open it again and again. If I press F5 key, the editing will be shown here. Okay, here you can see this is teachers in bold color, teachers written in italic and teachers written in underlined. Okay, now again I will go in notepad window by clicking only taskbar. These all text were in the same line, but I want to see these all text in the separate lines. Then I will use the break tag here. For using the break tag, I will write BR tag. Okay, this is the stand-alone tag. We need not to write the closing tag for it. This is an empty tag because it has no closing tag. Okay, now again click on file and save, and again go to Internet Explorer and press F5 key. Then these are the separate. After students, I have not given the break tag, so the first teachers that is written in bold colors is in the same line. Okay, to separate the lines we have to use the BR tag. Okay student, next tags I will tell you in other video. Okay, thank you.